Logitech G915 TKL Tenkeyless Lightspeed Wireless RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Low-Profile Switch Options, LIGHTSYNC RGB, Advanced Wireless and Bluetooth Support, Tactile, Black. Lightspeed Wireless delivers pro-grade performance with flexibility and freedom from cords. Creates a clean aesthetic for battle stations. Delivers 40 hours on a single full charge. LIGHTSYNC technology provides RGB lighting that synchronizes lighting with any content. Personalize each key or create custom animations from approximately 16.8 M colors with Logitech G Hub software. Low-profile mechanical switches offers the speed, accuracy and performance of a mechanical switch at half the height. The GL Tactile switch produces a discernible bump at the point of actuation. Comes in 3 options: GL Tactile, GL Linear or GL Clicky. Tenkeyless design provides more room for mouse movement. Store the USB receiver in the back of the keyboard for additional portability. Beautifully crafted, the G915 TKL uses aircraft-grade aluminum alloy to deliver incredibly thin but rigid and durable design. Enjoy 40 hours of game time on a single charge. Low battery warnings at 15% on the keyboard battery LED and via pop-up notification in the Logitech G Hub software. Quickly recharges in 3 hours. Details product, click link in description. Get best price and discount, click link below.